Welcome back to Tangerine Quarantine. I'm Emma and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an envelope. All you're going to need for your envelope is an A4 piece of paper and some scissors, and that's it. So to start off with, we are going to have an A4 piece of paper and we need to make this into a square. So to do that, we're going to pick up one of the corners, any corner you want, and just fold it over so that you make a crease in the top corner up here. Once you've done that, you now need to cut this strip off. Now we have our square, we need to take this corner and fold it up to this corner. But when making the crease, we don't want to crease it all the way. So we're just going to crease it up a little bit this way and down a little bit this way. And then fold it back out again. Then we take this corner and fold it up to the cross in the middle and crease down the edge. And we do the same to this corner. We're then going to do the same to this corner. And there we go. Now we take this corner, which we haven't folded yet, and we fold it up all the way up to this crease here, just like that. Then we unfold this and take this corner and line it up to here. So like that, and crease it along there, and then do the same to the other side. And then you'll have two sides which are like this. Now you take the bottom corner and you fold it up to this line here, just like that. Then you take these two folded bits here and you just crease them up this way. Now you unfold these bits and look at the crease here, and you turn it outwards and fold it in on itself on both sides. So you take the crease here, push it inwards, push this bit outwards, and then fold it down. So you now have a flap here and here. Now you take the flap which you've just made and you fold it upwards, so it will sit like that. But then these bits of paper you need to tuck in here. So what I've done so that they can fit is you take the point here and you fold it underneath. Just a little bit, not much, just enough that you're able to slot it in here and it will stay there. And there you go. You have yourself an envelope. So now that we've made our envelope, we should write a letter to go in it. You should write your letter to someone who you haven't seen throughout quarantine. So for me, I haven't seen my granddad, so I'm going to write him a letter. So in your letter, you should say hello to them and just say what you've been doing throughout quarantine, anything interesting that's happened, any exciting things that you may have done. You can say what you're looking forward to after quarantine's finished, and you can also tell them how much you're missing them and how much you can't wait to see them soon. I've now written my letter to my granddad and I am going to fold it up, put it in the envelope so that I'm ready to send it to him. Once you've put your letter in your envelope, you just want to fold over the flap and put a bit of tape at the bottom to keep it closed. But on the front, you're going to have to write an address, a name, and you're going to have to put a stamp on it. So, you have to know the full name of your family member, and you have to write that at the top. Then you have to write their address underneath, and then you have to put the stamp in the top right corner. Okay, so I'm going to show you what an envelope would look like when it has an address on it. So, I've written the address of Harry Potter on the envelope, but as you can see, I've written his full name and then his address, and then this is where the stamp would go, and then you're ready to put this in a post box and send it off to your loved one. I hope you guys have enjoyed making the envelope and writing a letter to one of your loved ones, and if you have, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Bye!